Hello, welcome. My name is David Isamoji. Welcome to another t-shirt design. This is a t-shirt design on how to create t-shirt designs that sell. How to create t-shirt designs that sell. So in this video, I'm going to be taking you through another process on how to create t-shirt design. If you've been following me through my series, I have about 37 up already. So if you truly believe you will learn and make money from Redbubble and Teepublic, then please watch all the series. So without wasting much of the time, I'll just open my Photoshop. Designing this on Photoshop. Please follow me. One thing I will always tell everybody that comes to my channel to learn is learn to use Photoshop and Canva. Those are the two most important to me when it comes to t-shirt design and print on demand, when it comes to making money online. So please get used to it. It's not hard. Just watch my videos and it's super easy. You get used to it. Just watch all my videos, you get used to it. It's as simple as that. You get used to it. So please, the other thing I want to tell you is don't click off of the video. Please, I will advise you watch this video. If at all you don't want to watch it to the end, watch the design process. It's very important. The design process is very important. Then lastly, I just want to say hope you are doing fine. Hope you are smiling today. Hope you are happy. Hope your family is good. If your family is good, please leave a like on this video. If your family is good and you are proud to be alive today, leave a like on this video. I want the positive vibes going. So let's get straight right to it. So I'll click on new. The standard is 4500 by 5400. Just click on OK. I'll over my mouse to this edge, double tap on that padlock, press OK. So now I'm gonna start this. It's gonna be a simple one. A simple design sell more. They sell more, that I know for sure. Simple design sell more. So for this one, it's going to be simple, but at the same time fun. It's going to say get. It's going to say get. So you can see it's quite small. So what I'm going to do next is to make it bigger. So to do that, I'll do my Control T. I'll over my mouse to this edge and I'll press three buttons. I'll press three buttons down together: my Alt key button, Shift key button, and my left mouse key button. I'm gonna increase this. You can see I'm gonna increase this. I'm okay with this, so I'm gonna leave it. I'm not done yet. Before I press enter, I'm gonna do something again. So I'll over my mouse to this middle edge. I'll press my Alt key button, Shift key button, and my left mouse key button, and drag again. So it's going to give me that effect. Then I'll come to this edge and do same thing: Alt key button, Shift key button, left mouse key button. I'll just drag that. So it's going to give me that effect I want. Just give me the effect I want. So it's going to say get. So now that we have this, I'll just make sure it's in the middle. And the next step is for me to drag in my arrow. So to do that, all I did was press Control arrow. You see the arrow disappear. If I press Control arrow, these numbers appear. I just dragged it down. I just drag that. Come over here again. Just drag that out. So now the next step, I want to double tap on this edge. Sorry, I'll just right click, not double tap on this edge, the get layer. I'll come to vectorize style, vectorize type. Now that I've done that, I'll click on this tool. It's called the polygonal laser tool. Then from this edge, I'll just click here, drag it up to here, then here again, and then I'll press. As you can see, it has formed the dotted lines that you can see. I'll just click on my delete button. As you can see, it has gotten rid of that. So I'll do that for this same area again. I'll do that for this area again. transform the dotted line, I'll just click on delete, and now we have that out of the way. The next step will be to put in our final word, and to do that I need the black, or let me use another color because I want it to be placed on a white shirt too, so I'll just use another color, so reduce this to 30, come over here and just type, okay, I'll drag this arrow again to this edge, drag to this edge so that my write-ups don't go beyond that. So I'm just gonna type get up, believe and then achieve. Hope I got that right. No, sorry about that. Achieve your goals. So that's it. So just increase this. So just, as you can see, I'll just reduce it a bit. You can see it says get up, achieve your goal. So it's that easy. So now that we have that, all I'll do is to over my mouse to this write-up, and I'll just do something now. I'll click on my Alt key button, my left mouse key button, and just duplicate this. I'm dragging my arrow down so it has duplicated that. So now we have it. So now we got it. So that's basically it. So now we'll just do this final step to close this layer, and I will just have a write-up, there. So we'll save it as get, save as pictures, get, save it again. Now we'll save it as PNG because we don't want the background, so we'll just save it as PNG. Save it. This font looks a bit light, so I'll just go and check it for myself. Go to picture and get, this is it. So I'll just check and see. But let me see if I can change the font, if it will make any difference. Okay. So I'll just reduce this. It didn't make so much difference, so that's not a problem. So now that we have the design, the next step is for you to go onto your Redbubble store, upload it on your Teespring store, upload it, and you're good to go. With advice I always give everybody who asks me, people ask me a lot in the comments, how much do I make from my Redbubble store? I will tell you one thing, everybody is going to have a different amount, a different pickup stage. I don't know if you understand what I mean. So what I'll just advise you to do is keep uploading. If you have, don't complain about not having sale sales until you've uploaded 100 different design onto your Redbubble or your Teespring store. Then you wait for a month plus. If you don't have sale, then you can start complaining. But as long as you have this easy to follow designs and it motivates people, so far you have about 100 of that on your store, you're gonna make sales. Thank you. Make sure you follow the end screen and you can see the playlist. Follow the playlist so you can watch other videos. See you tomorrow. Love you. One love.